Hi friends! Halika, samahan niyo ako gawa tayo ng breakfast. So we're gonna make French toast. All you need is 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, half teaspoon cinnamon, isa't kalahating kutsara ng asukal, and a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. You can also use vanilla extract if you like. And the next ingredient is optional. My friends, ito po talaga yung nagpapasarap sa French toast. I think because it cuts off the fat. Pero kung ayaw nyo, okay lang po. Before tayo magluto ng French toast, mag-air fryer na muna tayo ng hash. Ayan, so on a medium heat, lagyan po natin ng butter. Magagamit ulit natin yan. Dip it sa egg mixture for 3 seconds at ilagay sa mainit na pan. Mas masarap sana kung ang gamitin natin ay brioche or challah. Then cut it into thicker slices. But this is all we got as of the moment. Pwede na rin naman kaso wag lang masyadong matagal sa baba. Ulitin natin salted butter, 3 seconds each side. Tapos ilagay sa medium heat pan. The cooking varies depending on the thickness of your bread. So pag mga ganito, 2 to 3 minutes lang yan. But if you have a thicker slice of bread, you can cook it for like 3 to 4 minutes. Using the same pan, naglagay lang ako ng konting butter, egg, dried parsley, garlic and onion powder, and a little bit of salt. After hash, nagsalang naman ako ng chicken bites that we got from Costco. I air fried at 350 for 8 minutes. That's it, my friends. Breakfast is ready. Pag nasa mood pala ako, nilalagay ko rin siya sa plato individually. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye!